Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the Avanson AM-25 USB microphone. We're going to start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. It is a big boy right here, giant box. Tells you what it is. Nothing else super special about it, but it is a nice presentation. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Super easy. Alright, just like this. Get this out of the way. Alright, we have the instruction manual. So there's a version A and B. The version I have right here is B, and that's because it comes with the microphone arm, and it comes with a pop filter. So there's a few extra things that this version comes with that A does not. All right, there's all the instructions. Okay, first off, we have a pop filter. Let's take this guy out super quick. Take a look. All right. Yep, it's a pop filter. Again, nothing too special about it. Pretty standard. All right, let's take a look at everything else. Let's just get straight into the actual mic. So right away, I can feel it is nice and hefty. It is not made out of just plastic. It's got metal parts, which is good. It's got this U-shaped microphone stand, which is awesome. Yeah, heavy metal there. We have physical volume buttons along with a mute button below right here. Very good. It's a nice looking mic. Yep. All right. Oh, and down here we have a USB-C connection and for headphones as well. Let's see what else we got. All right. We have the little windshield thing there. Here's the clamp for the arm. Let's look at the arm itself. Open it up. Like so. All right. Yep. Pretty standard arm as well. Nothing super special about it, except that it takes the U-shaped stand instead of the other standard one that normally comes with this. But other than that, it is a pretty standard arm. Also made out of metal, probably aluminum. And finally, we have here the USB-C cable, which we already saw goes into the mic. All right, now let me show you how to put everything together real quick. All right, so super easy to get the clamp on. You put this end into that hole right there. Gonna turn it around right here. There's this knob on the right here. You're going to tighten that to secure the arm. Then you're gonna put the clamp here and you are going to tighten it to whatever table you have. And that's it. All secured. Make sure you loosen that first knob in order to move it. All right, to put the mic in, you just simply put that in there, turn it, tighten it, and you're set. And let me just show you guys how the arm moves. See, with this U-shaped stand, you can get different positions that you might not be able to get with a standard microphone, which is pretty cool. You could probably reach a little farther than the other ones. And yeah, it just looks great. It's a good looking mic. There you go. And if you guys have seen my videos before, I have been using the Avanson AM-25 to do that whole first part of the unboxing video. All the audio you just heard came from this very microphone. So you guys can get a better idea of what it sounds like all cleaned up and everything. And I think it is really, really impressive sound. What I want to show you guys though right now is the raw audio of this guy. So let me show you and then we'll talk about it. Okay, here we go. This is the raw audio of the Avanson AM-25. This is the raw audio of the Avanson AM-25. This is pretty good, guys. I mean, it's super impressive because you cannot hear any ambient sound or hissing, which is pretty unreal. All of, maybe except for one of the microphones I have reviewed, always have some kind of ambient sound, some kind of hissing. If you can hear some ambient sound, it's so low. Super impressed with this thing. If I tap on it, it does, like, you can hear more sound. So I'm going to do it right now. And then it adjusts, it does whatever it does, and it gets all quiet again, which is really, really cool. And I'm not using the windshield on it or the pop filter, so you're getting really raw sound. I am super impressed with it. Let's talk about it. I absolutely recommend this thing, especially for the price. It's so good. USB-C. It does have an audio jack for headphones on the actual mic, and that allows you to listen real time to what you're hearing on the mic. And that might come in handy if you're doing music, if you're a singer. Also, this is the first mic I've reviewed that has this U-shaped microphone stand. And I gotta tell you, it gives you a lot more diversity in the way that you do your setup. The microphone does have external volume buttons, which you have right here. It doesn't change anything on your recording system, so you don't see like the volume go down or anything, but it does actually change it. It's kind of the equivalent of having a physical knob where you can kind of see it, but here there's no like outer exterior indicators of what your level is at, so you kind of have to be aware of that. It also has a mute button that works really well. Again, no indicator on your recording program, but it does actually mute. So let's try it right now. If I keep talking and then I press it right here. If I keep talking and I press it again, you can hear me again. That's really cool, especially if you're podcasting. If you're doing something live, I'm sure it comes in handy. Let me know what you guys think, but I absolutely think you should check this microphone out. All right, so you want to know how much this is and where you can get it. You can pick this up on Amazon right now for $59.99. And that is a good price for a mic like this. Like I've already said a bunch of times in this video, I'm super impressed by the sound quality, external headphone jack on the actual mic, USB-C. It's just a great mic. Definitely check it out. Great quality product. All right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.